Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Best GIS Tutorial. And previous lecture I show you that how to download Quantum GIS software. So if you have not downloaded Quantum GIS, I will put the link of the lecture in description box. You can download the Quantum GIS and install in your own system. I showed the method in previous lecture. In today's short lecture, we will familiar with the interface of Quantum GIS software. After that, we will work on georeferencing and digitization and layout and further analysis. So this is user interface of Quantum GIS software. So first of all, go to here, right click on it, and here you can see this small window dialog box. Here is the panel. From there we can add different toolbars such as advanced digitizing toolbar. If I check this, here you can see the advanced GIS toolbar is added to the interface of Quantum GIS. So this is the attribute toolbar and here is the vector toolbar. Now I added this advanced digitizing toolbar, and here is the selection toolbar. So again right click on it, and here we can add the browser panel. From browser panel we can add the data to Quantum GIS software, such as here I click on that and I show you that how to add data to Quantum GIS software. Here double click on that. Here you can see that I add this map to Quantum GIS software. After that, now here in the attribute toolbar, here is the cursor and zoom tool. We can use this to zoom the map up to some extent. Now here is the pen, and we can move map from one position to another position. So again go to here and right click on it, and here is the browser panel 2 panel. If someone want to add two browser panel in Quantum GIS, they can add to it. Here you can see here is the first browser panel and here is the second browser panel. So we'll now close that one. We have enough that one browser. So I add this map, and here is the option zoom to layer the map. So go to again here and right click it, add some other toolbars. Here is digitizing toolbar, and here is the raster toolbar. We can add this raster toolbar to the user interface. Here is raster toolbar. Now I want to add digitizing toolbar. From here I add it easily. So this is digitizing toolbar. We will use these all tools series, so stay connected with us, and next lecture we will work on how to georeference a map in Quantum GIS software. Thank you.